Okay, hello everyone. So, this is James Stevenson, head chemist here at WestChem Technologies. So we're going to show you a small demo on how to use chemical blasting. So our first product that we use is our acid gel cleaner. That should strip off any mill scale or rust, and that is applied using this jet sprayer. So I am going to put my respirator on. So my narration might be a little muffled here. And I am just putting my work hood on to protect my face. So, visor's down, let's do this. Here we go. We leave that on for about 20 minutes. And it should clear away the mill scale and rust here. So when we're done that, we'll rinse it off with some water, and then we'll apply our application, or apply our sealers and protectants and pre-treatments and all of that. So we'll be back with you in about 20 minutes here. See you then. Okay, so that didn't take quite as long as we thought, but I can already see some of the mill scale flaking away here. So I'm just going to give this a little bit of a jet spray to show you how we can clean it off here. All right, here we go. Visor down. So as you can see, quite a bit of the scale has come off here, and that's only after about actually 5-ish minutes of me letting it sit on there. So let it sit for a full 15-20 minutes, most of that scale should be removed. There's always the option of adding a second coating of the acid cleaner if you got some particularly stubborn rust or mill scale there. Now, the next thing we do is we add our pre-treatment on there. So I've got our iron phos pre-treatment here. Add that on. I'll let it work its magic for a little bit, then give it a quick rinse off. And then after that, you would apply your dry-in-place sealer. So that doesn't need to be rinsed off. That just seals it on to prevent any flash rusting or incidents in that vein there. And then once the sealer is on and is all dried, then you can take the part for powder coating. Anyway, this has been James Stevenson with WestChem Technologies. I hope you found this demonstration helpful. Have a great day.